Hey guys, I'm back with another update for my DIY IKEA closet that I've built. I will be cleaning and then showing you guys my new build for my shoe collection as the bookshelf. And also I'll be organizing my new jewelry section for my closet and also showing you guys some new trays for accessories and your belts and everything like that. And I'm going to be showing you guys how I organize other parts of my closet, and I'm going to be reorganizing the entire closet and putting things back up, and I have a cool light hack to show you. So stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is going to be a huge closet declutter, closet organization, and I'm going to show you guys the update to my DIY Ikea Pax wardrobe on a budget dupe system, basically, because that's what it is. It's not the full IKEA wardrobe system, but it is the made up version like I did. I created on my own. And I'm going to show you guys the updates to it. I bought some new jewelry holders, or I'm actually going to organize them. And then I've purchased another stand for my shoes, so I'm going to show you guys that. And also I have some acrylic drawers, well, acrylics that I'm going to use as drawers. And then I have some new fashion pieces to show you guys, some silk pieces. And then I have some new jewelry pieces to show you guys, and I will do the jewelry organization. These two pieces are from Ana Luisa, and we'll get into these. These are like Chanel, like Chanel has these types of earrings, and this is like the Louis Vuitton dupe for their flower bracelet. But yes, I do need to shave my arm, so don't judge. But yes, we're going to get into all of that. I just want to give you guys a quick intro and thank you guys so much. Okay, I wanted to thank you guys for supporting that video. I did not know it would go viral. I've even seen some YouTubers who've done my idea of building their own IKEA closet. So thank you guys for sharing. Continue to share that video and share this one so that people will know how to make it look more and more like the IKEA Pax wardrobe or a more professional closet system. So let's go ahead and get into the video. I'm going to first style my hair though. All right, girls. I'm ready. This front part is kind of wet. You can kind of tell or whatever. I didn't want a real part. I just kind of wanted to like wear it like as a fall unit. So this is 100% a wig. Yes, it's a natural curly like wig. It's from Icy Hair. This is their Mongolian texture that everybody on YouTube has been trying out. So I said, well, let me try it out. So I just threw this wig on because I just wanted to go ahead and look fabulous for the video. I didn't want my hair to be all over the place. My hair is actually braided underneath because I just didn't have time. This is more so like 4A mixed with 3C. So that's why I chose this one, because it looks more natural to my natural hair pattern. This is the 24-inch texture, and it's thick enough. It's not too thick though. This is like the 150 or 180 density. This is the box that it came in. The I See Your Beauty. And yeah, they have lace front wigs, lace closures, all of that. Now listen, you will have to maintain this type of hair because any curly hair has to be maintained. But the best part about it is that you just need some water, some mousse to make it, you know, have that wet look, and you can go. That's what I like about having full wigs on versus just my natural hair blended with it. Sometimes I feel like I have to do too much to my natural hair sometimes to get it to blend. But hopefully in the next few videos, I will find a good, perfect blending texture to where all I have to do with my natural hair is just put some water, maybe a little edge control, and then I could just blend it in or twist it in there, and it looks really, really natural as well. So if you guys want to purchase this unit, look in the descriptions box for my discount code and all links to Icy Hair. So let's go ahead and get into the next segment. So I've started some of my closet organization a few months ago. So I've decided that this section is going to be for my camisoles, my short blouses, and short tops. So I've been incorporating more luxury, authentic pieces instead of like fast fashion, cheap fibers. So I got this 100% silk cami with lace detail. It is also reversible for versatile wear. And I got this piece from Lily Silk. I just want to show you guys what it looks like. You can see the front has a little bit more deeper cleavage. And I love the peplum, kind of like peplum bottom that kind of flares out a little bit. And then this is the back lace detail. This piece is from Lily Silk, where you can find similar types of silk items like dresses, blouses, of course, and also cashmere, like real cashmere. And of course, you can wear it with a blazer in the fall or as is in the summer with a skirt or whatever. So I also picked up their wrap silk dress. I got the color like rose-like color, and it is 100% silk. It's fabulous. It's feminine. I love the wrap detail. And a lot of fashion brands have been called out for toxic fabrics, which are harmful to us. So I love that their pieces are made from 100% natural mulberry silk. And they're environmentally friendly, which means that they do recycle some excess pieces for accessories. So I also picked up this pillowcase because I've had some hair breakage due to wearing cotton scarves and cotton pillowcases. And as we know, African American hair is easily prone to breakage. So having silk pillowcases and scarves will help avoid breakage and help your hair to retain moisture. And these silk pillows just have overall benefits to your skin and also your hair. You can check them out on the website that is listed in my descriptions box. And if you're interested in purchasing, you can use my code for 12% off. Okay, so moving on to closet declutter. This closet looks a mess. It did. The whole room, it just looks a mess. So I have to do some decluttering and just, removing some of the bags that I have. Honestly, it's this way because this is my creative room. I have a lot of stuff that I got from Dollar Tree, Five Below. Everything that I buy that's new, as you can see, the Primark bag, I keep it in there. So I'm just going to clean with these Clorox wipes because I don't want any viral particles hanging around in my place or bacteria. This is flu season, so you already know what it is. So yeah, just doing the deep cleaning of these shelves. Some of them are already dusty, and you can see how dusty they were. So this is the full closet. Now, I want to break this down. It did not come this way. This bookshelf just had 4, but I took the other bookshelves and just inserted them in. From the other actual bookshelves that I had, I only used 2 of them. So I had about 6 extra, so I put them in the allotted spaces so that I could have enough room for my shoes. So moving over to this side, I'll come back to the shoes later. I just want to show you guys my first section that I'm redoing or whatever. So these are the acrylic trays from Target. I got these because I said, well, the Ikea storage system has actual glass drawers. So I said, I'll just use these and just, push them aside, and I'll just use my underwear for this drawer, and in the other one, just my bras. And it's just the perfect little hack, for if you want the clear acrylic drawers. I mean, it's nothing to just fold your stuff in there nicely and then either do it one tray sideways and then the other tray like in the latitude way, or is that latitude or horizontal? Horizontal. Okay, whatever. So you can see. So I organized my bras. I just did them like in a little single fold so that I could fit more of them on there. Like this one. This is one of my push-up bras from Target. They have the best bras, it seems like, really. And so I have the sticky, pasty like bras and whatever in the back as well. So this is how I fit them both in there because it wasn't wide enough to fit two the latitude way. So yeah, had to do that. So this bottom row is kind of messy, but this is where I keep my tank tops and little camis. Well, some of my camis. I hang the others up. But as you can see, I do have enough room in the back to have another row full of shirts. So I just want to show you guys the space that you could put things in. Some of you were asking if you could fill up the drawers. Yes, you can. These are more tank tops from Walmart and some are from Target or wherever. And then the bottom row is for my leggings, my joggers, my athletic wear, and my tights. So I'm going to probably get some more acrylic jars. So now I'm actually hanging up some clothes that I have, my dresses and blouses, bodysuits. I typically have the bodysuits and the blouses that are kind of short at the top. And then I have these cute dresses that I have. Most of these clothes are new, guys. New. So this is my little, I guess, capsule wardrobe rack for just ready to wear dresses so that I can always look cute anywhere I go. And then I have my sweaters and blazers to the far right. And then the pants at the bottom. And then some of these little cute, like, bustier bodysuits, I can just hang them up on the shorter side at the top. And you can kind of see why I have so much space for the drawers on the other drawer that I just had, the other bookshelf, because I only used, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 for the middle section with my accessories. So then I had a few extras over there left. So I decided to take this little bottom section and just put my little short skirts or pencil skirts, because at first I was going to do my jeans, but then I realized, well, my jeans are kind of longer, so I'll just use my little leather skirts and pleather skirts from Express and everywhere. And this is the accessories. So I have my little Gucci belts that I just, or all of my belts that I just wrap in a circle, and this is how I'm able to fit them in the Target acrylics. So they also have these that are like slimmer, and then they have the wider ones. And so I just bought 2 of the slim ones and then 1 longer one, and look, it looks like a drawer almost. I wish that I could build a drawer, but I cannot. So this is my jewelry part, and I had shoes at the bottom of my little skirt section, so I'm just going to remove those and put them on the other bookshelf for the shoes. And this is my little section for my skirts. So moving on, these are my shoes. Now listen, this part will humble you as it just humbled me. Organizing this part, you have to do the measurements. Like you can see this shoe, the high heels, like the 4-inch heels, cannot fit on certain rows. So you'll have to evenly measure out the bookshelves so that you can have enough racks for your heels and then have enough for the flats and then your tennis shoes. So you'll see me trying to organize my little semi-luxury shoes and luxury shoes or whatever, all my shoes all together. Like I'm trying to do colors. These are my favorite from shoots, but these are high heels. So I was surprised that they could fit on this row. But if you can organize your shoes, like 1 shoe in the front, 1 shoe facing the back, you can fit at least 4 shoes, 4 pairs of shoes on each row. So that's a nice idea or hack or whatever for those of you who are wondering, you know, how many shoes can fit on there. So you can see me trying to configure that thing out like a Tetris game. It's like crazy. But some of my boots or my booties, I realized I do not have any space for those. If you have a lot of shoes and a lot of heels, you will pretty much have to put the booties at the bottom, or if you have tall boots, I would personally recommend to just put those at the very bottom and then put the booties at the top, just at the top of the whole thing. Because yeah, I have a lot of flats and I need to invest in more, and then I have a lot of tennis shoes. This is not even my full shoe collection. This is just what I have right now, like that I can visibly see in my closet, okay? So I have the tall boots from Steve Madden and ASOS. These are from ASOS. And then I have these packages. I just try to pack them up so that they can stand tall. And then the others are Vince Camuto. So check out my luxury haul if you want to know. These are my Chelsea boots from Target. I put those at the top. Those will have to go on another side. So I also have these Nasty Gal shoes from, these are like the Amina Muaddi dupes. So I put those on the row because I think they're only like 3 inches. So the other booties, I put them over here at the bottom of my closet. You'll always have space if you organize it that way. And that's it for this new bookshelf edition. I think I did an okay job for what I'm working with right now. But you can see the boots are at the bottom comfortably, and then some flats, then the heels, and yes. So on to my little light hack. I bought these stickies or stickable battery operated lights from Target. So I want to show you guys that you do need to push that little metallic piece up, because you could stick it or you could let it bind to metal, but obviously I don't have metal. So this is how it works. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like in the dark. But I love the fact that it turns on and then it has the adjustable themes. Like you can, you know, make it 10% or you can do 20%. 40%, like I'll show you now. So this is the 10%, the 20%, I think, or 75%, and then 100. I think it's 10 and then 50 or whatever. But it is really cool. So it comes in a pack of 2 for like $16 to $20. So I put the other one on the opposite side so that I could, you know, just have 2. And then I have these LED motion detector lights that I bought also. But I'm just showing you guys that you can cut them on at the same time, or you can point to one section and it's off. Don't forget to check the links for the descriptions box for all products mentioned, and thank you guys for watching.